Friends, today I make something for you which I want to show you. Today I make something like battery level stop charging mode. Here I make something like that when it is less than 50 battery level, then it will charging mode on, and when it is high else it is higher than, then it is a stop charging mode. Now here you can see my battery level is 50, and you here also you can see that my battery level is 50. Okay, then in the serial monitor you can see that it is a stop charging, and this okay, I will show you the full circuit diagram from starting. Here the main supply is current is coming, you can see, and I will check you. You can see here the main supply is coming, and that bulb is glowing. Okay, from this main supply, this wire goes to the relay. Okay, okay, this wire goes to the relay, and from that relay it is coming to this board. That means it is the relay is interrupting this board to supply or not to supply. Okay, I will show you. For convenience, I will connect this bulb to you also, so that you can easily visualize. Okay, now here you can see that my battery level is 50. Okay, and it is a stop charging, and this relay is off, and this red LED is indicating glowing. And there are lots of this wire, that is for another project, leave that. You can see here battery is 50 and stop charging. Now when it become 49, at that time it will show the charging mode, and this bulb also will glow, and this mobile will charge up. Okay, wait for a few seconds, it will just battery level 49, then it will show you. Just a few seconds more. See here that battery level is 49, and this is charging mode, and this LED which I showed you, that will off, this relay on, and this bulb is also glowing, and this you can see that battery is charging. Okay, battery level showing 49, and very few seconds it become 50, and it again cut off. See here that battery level is 50, that stop the charging. This bulb also off, this LED on, this relay off, and it is in the serial monitor, it is showing stop charging. Thank you very much.